Right guys, today I'm gonna show you how to transfer the all the mechanism from old broken key fob to a new key fob. Uh, as you can see, this one is battered, and what I've done is I've ordered one from eBay. This is the new one from eBay. This is the shell with the new casing. So I'm gonna transfer all the mechanism from the old one to the new one. So this particular key I ordered from eBay, that comes with basically comes with the cover, the the button pads, and also this comes with this part here. So what you need to do is you need to break the old key. Basically you need to get the old blade out of the old key and transfer it to the new one. So that's how you do it. I show you how to do it. So basically you just break the whole mechanism like this, as you can see. So what you do is so in this case what you do is you just transfer this blade into the new key like this. Perfect, just like this. So I'm using the original blade, and what I've done is as you can see, I've broken the old casing off the cover, and I'm just going to slide into the new one. Basically this is going to save you a lot of money instead of getting a key with a blank blade. So this one is the best way to do it. So this is the old mechanism. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take all the stuff off it. So basically this is what I'm doing at the moment. So I'm gonna take so what you do is just do it this way. So you just rip the old pad off, button pad, like this, just like this. So guys, this is all coming off nice and easily. This is the key from Toyota Corolla. It's the same key for the Toyota Yaris and RAV4. So in this particular case, this one is of 2002 Toyota Corolla, but all the keys are same on most Toyotas in that year. They'll all look same. So if even on the RAV4 and Carinas and all that, they will have the same key fob. So guys, that's the I've just taken off all the buttons, original buttons off this, and basically, so this is the new pad. So that just goes over like this, basically just like this, and just like that, just like that. So I'm just gonna put the button pad in, and then I'm gonna put this in nicely here. And right guys, so as you can see, this is the new casing cover. So what you do is You just slide that blade into the thing here, and then you put the cover back in. Right guys, there you go, nice and easy, job done. So I'm just gonna put the last and the least, I'm just gonna put the screw back in and job done. Okay guys, simple as that. $4.99 and you end up with a new key. This is very cost effective way of like, instead of buying the key from the dealer for like 150 £200, you know. So this is the, although you're missing the logo, Toyota logo on the one I got from eBay, but that doesn't matter. Who cares about the logo? As long as the key works, that's what matters. Okay, thank you very much for watching the video.